All right, bam, here we go. So, I usually get my chive cream cheese, but I got regular cream cheese. But that's all right. We got some onions here. You see that? They seem to be going bad, so we need to use these up. We got some onions. We're going to dice this up, saute it down. We got our new cream cheese. Some of our old cream cheese. We're going to take half of this, put it in here with our roasted onions and onion. Spring onion and onion. Whatever this called. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Let's chop it up. Alright, so we're going to get these chopped down. Then we're going to get a little butter. And we're going to just saute these. With the way the groceries and everything is so expensive, I don't want to be really throwing anything away. So we need to find purpose and reuse some of these things. Now, I really could get my dehydrator out and dehydrate like those green onions and make like a powdered spice. But because I do love the onion cream cheese, I figured we'll just use this for that. I already got my onions diced down, my regular white onion. Let's just get this all mixed up. Alright, so we're going to get this in the pan and let it sweat down. We got a little bit of butter. This onion and scallions. We're going to sweat these down. We're going to get that sweated down. Alright, this is sweated down. It looks good. We're going to go ahead and turn the fire off. Pull this to the back side. Get this up here. I did find some more cream cheese that I had in the fridge. So we're going to use this first. I'm going to throw that down in there. And then what I'm going to do is get this blended and mixed together well. Alright, you guys, there we have it. I had the onions and the green scallions. I sauteed them down. I got them mixed up. This is going to be our cream cheese spread. And now I'm just going to get it back into the container. And that's going to be our homemade chive cream cheese onion spread for our bagels in the morning.